Hey, welcome back to another video of eTechs. In this video, we are going to learn how to stop character AI from blocking messages. Character AI has filters to block inappropriate or offensive content. While you can't completely turn off these filters, you can minimize message blocks by avoiding offensive language and inappropriate content. You can also rephrase sentence using neutral language. Simply click on Edit button to edit your message. You can avoid a specific flagged keyword. Contacting character AI support if you believe messages are incorrectly blocked, and you can use proper context and engaging with the platform is intended. For custom character, moderation still applies, and there is no official way to fully disable the filters. So that is how you can stop character AI from blocking messages. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel, and comment down if you have any queries.